Hello and welcome to your introduction session for the Nature and Movement Challenge. We are so excited that you are here today. So for our first exercise today, we'll be going into breathing to arrive here and block out outside noise or inside noise. So for that, find a comfortable position of your choice, and then we will be doing fire breath. So fire breath is pushing out old air out of your nose. You do like, and the inhale happens naturally. So it's like, and we do that in our own rhythm. And you can check if you are actually using your belly by putting your hand on it. And look, you can see if it's moving. So get ready for your fire breath by closing your eyes. Take a deep inhale in. First, exhale through the mouth, and then inhale to start your fire breath. And just try to find a rhythm that works for you. Continue in your own rhythm. And maybe you're thinking, that looks strange, that's strange. Just give it a try and try to find a rhythm that works for you. And really try to stress the exhale. Push out as much as you can. We'll be doing 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then exhale completely, everything out. And block your tank at the bottom, at the top. Tuck your chin in, stay without breathing. And then slowly, when you can't take it anymore, fill up your tank from the bottom until the top. And stay without breathing if your tank full. Tuck your chin in. Relax your face. And in your own time, when you really feel the urge to breathe, start breathing naturally again. And leave your eyes closed. And just check in with yourself. What is inside of you? How is your body feeling? Observe the emotions, the thoughts that are there. And because it's so much fun, we will be doing another round of fire breath. So first, take a deep inhale in through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. Let it all go. Inhale to start your fire breath. And push it out. Push out everything, that old air, everything that doesn't serve you. And we're doing 10 more. Give it everything you have. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale completely. Lock your tank. Then take a deep inhale in. Fill up your tank as much as you can. And lock it again. Stay without breathing. And then start breathing naturally again in your own time. And again, leave your eyes closed. Stay connected to yourself. And notice what is within you. And then take another deep inhale in. And as you exhale, let everything go. And slowly open your eyes. So I hope you have something to write next to you. If not, quickly press stop, take something to write, and take a pen. And if you're ready, we will be moving on to our commitment phase. So for that, I want you to first write down, how are you feeling right now after doing these breathing exercises? What did you notice within you? Write that down. You can also draw it if you want to. And if you feel like, that breathing exercise hasn't done so much with me, write down, how do you feel after a sports session? Or after swimming in the river, swimming in the lake, after a yoga session? How do you feel? What is that feeling? Write it down. And when you have written down how you feel, close your eyes again. Take a deep inhale in. Exhale through the mouth. And try to feel that feeling within you. For me, it's a feeling of being alive, energized, joy, happiness, feeling free. So whatever it is for you, feel that within you. And bring a smile to your face. And then slowly open your eyes. So ask yourself, how often do you want to feel that feeling? Do you want to feel that every day? Do you want that kind of energy to have in your life? I'm assuming your answer is yes, but really ask yourself that question. And then I want you to figure out, in the next 5 days, Monday to Friday, when can you take 10 minutes every day to do the exercises that we give you? Really be very specific, right? Monday, 7 to 7:10, or during your lunch break, or after work. And write it down for every day and put it in your calendar or set a reminder on your phone. And when you have figured out your time slots, figure out where can you do it. So our challenge is called Nature Movement Challenge. So we really encourage you to go outside. If you have somewhere green, if it's a park or below a tree, just somewhere outside. And we really encourage you to go in any weather and even exercise in the rain. So really think about where you can go and write that next to your time slot of every day. And the third point I want you to think about, do you want to do it by yourself or do you want to do it with someone? Some people, I find it easier to have an accountability buddy, somebody that comes train with them and there is no excuse. Or maybe you just want to do it by yourself. So figure that out. If you want to do it with someone, send that person a message, plan it together, and be each other's accountability buddy. So when you've figured out these 3 things, when are you going to do it every day? Where are you going to do it? Are you going to do it alone or with someone? Then take some time with me now to visualize yourself doing it. For that, close your eyes, take a deep inhale in, exhale through the mouth. We start with Monday. See the time in front of your eyes. See the place where you're going to go. See if you're alone or with somebody. Visualize yourself exercising your body and your mind. Visualize the feeling you will have after that. That feeling, that feel-good feeling. We go on to Tuesday. What time, what place? Alone or with someone? Visualize it. Visualize yourself exercising. Bring that feeling in. Go to Wednesday. Visualize the time, the place, and if you're alone or with someone. And bring in that feeling. Feeling of feeling free, liberated after exercising, after taking time for yourself. We go on to Thursday. Visualize yourself, the time, the place, if you're alone or with someone. And Friday. Visualize yourself completing this 5-day challenge, having done every day 10 minutes. Visualize the feeling. And also feel that feeling of accomplishment, of having consistently done something for your physical and mental health. Then bring a smile to your face and open your eyes. Well done. Amazing. So really, you can do this visualization again if you want to. Try to keep your commitment. It's so easy in our crazy world to get distracted and be like, oh, today I don't have time. And yet, if you know when you take the time and you're very specific, you know where and when, then you can do it. And I know that everyone has 10 minutes a day. To finish this commitment breathing session, we'll do a round of yes, yes, yes. So that's shoulder breath. So for that, I bring my arms up and then I always bring it down, making this kind of movement, and I say yes. So look up to the ceiling, to the beautiful sun, and I make yes, 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 and bring in energy. Yes, 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 yes. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Awesome work. I see you tomorrow. Have a great day.